KitKat has always been a firm favorite, made from wafers and chocolate since 1935. This Japanese factory consists of baking, molding and packaging production lines for Nestle. Mechanical robot arms accurately transfer materials to advance their productivity. Nestle factory in Japan has introduced over 300 different flavors since 2000. The RONDO bot executes perfect multi-phase rounding processes. Operators have the ability to adjust the speed and pressure applied to the dough. We feel it is an unmatched system which produces consistent professional results. This patented onion peeling line is an extremely useful invention for the food industry. It can successfully peel 800 kilograms per hour of onions without damaging the onion. Once the onions go skinless, workers chop up off the roots, which leaves them ready to use. Here we review the high-tech production line named Chocoform. This is a professional industrial extruder for chocolate products and truffles. With built-in cooling tunnels and automatic truffle machines. A synchronized blade cuts the chocolates to the chosen size. We believe this production line to be effective, cost-saving, and quality assuring. This machine is made by MOBAGROUP. It specializes in loading, egg inspection, orientation, cracks detection, UV disinfection, transferring, and individual egg handling. This staggering machine deals with between 126,000 to 190,000 eggs per hour. That's 350 to 530 cases per hour. This spectacular high-tech machine produces dozens of ice creams at once. The Igloo Line 18000 has an ice cream extruding and hardening tunnel. Quickly and efficiently making ice creams and packaging them. This machine is simple, clean, safe, and reliable. It comprises of automatic and continuous operation. You can make perfect round pancakes in any size. It can easily turn the rows and line them up. Deliciously filling it with any taste you like. This is an ingenious attachment to create perfect kebabs on skewers. The KLB40 easily produces around 40 portions per minute. This patented slicer with a vacuum gripper is made for high productivity tasks. It is an incredible machine that can slice products of up to 1000 mm in length. This TREIF divider machine can cut up to a hopping 2640 slices per minute. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel.